Artificial intelligence is transforming our world. From self-driving cars to personalized medicine, AI is revolutionizing industries and solving complex problems. This is an exciting time to learn about AI and be part of this technological revolution. Whether you're a student, a professional, or simply curious, this guide will provide a roadmap for your AI learning journey. Learning AI offers numerous benefits. It equips you with in-demand skills, opening doors to exciting career opportunities. AI proficiency empowers you to become a problem solver, innovator, and leader in this rapidly evolving field. Moreover, understanding AI allows you to navigate the ethical and societal implications of this powerful technology. This guide will provide you with a comprehensive understanding of AI. We will delve into the fundamental concepts, explore essential tools and resources, and guide you on applying your knowledge to real-world projects. Let's embark on this exciting journey of mastering AI together. Artificial intelligence at its core is the ability of machines to perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. These tasks include learning from experience, understanding language, recognizing patterns, and making decisions. AI encompasses various subfields, each with its unique applications and techniques. Machine learning, a crucial aspect of AI, involves training algorithms on massive datasets to enable them to make predictions or decisions without explicit programming. Through machine learning, computers can analyze data, identify trends, and improve their performance over time. Neural networks, inspired by the structure of the human brain, are a powerful type of machine learning algorithm. They consist of interconnected nodes that process and transmit information, enabling them to learn complex patterns and relationships. Neural networks have revolutionized areas such as image recognition, natural language processing, and speech synthesis. Natural language processing, or NLP, focuses on enabling computers to understand, interpret, and generate human language. NLP powers applications like chatbots, language translation, and sentiment analysis. Python has emerged as the go-to programming language for AI development. Its simple syntax, extensive libraries, and active community make it an ideal choice for both beginners and experts. Python's versatility extends beyond AI, making it a valuable skill for various domains. Libraries are pre-written code modules that provide ready-to-use functions and tools for specific tasks. Python boasts a rich ecosystem of AI libraries, including NumPy for numerical computing, Pandas for data manipulation, and scikit-learn for machine learning algorithms. Mastering Python fundamentals is crucial for AI development. Understanding concepts like variables, data types, loops, and functions provides a solid foundation for working with AI algorithms. Additionally, familiarity with object-oriented programming principles enhances your ability to write efficient and reusable AI code. Numerous online resources and tutorials can help you learn Python. Interactive platforms like Codecademy and DataCamp offer hands-on coding exercises, while comprehensive courses on platforms like Coursera and edX provide in-depth knowledge and practical skills. Section 4. Charting your AI learning journey. Embarking on your AI learning journey requires a structured approach and access to quality resources. It's essential to have a clear roadmap to navigate through the vast sea of information and tools available. Fortunately, numerous online courses and tutorials cater to diverse learning styles and skill levels. Whether you are a visual learner or prefer hands-on practice, there is something for everyone. These resources provide a comprehensive understanding of AI concepts, algorithms, and applications. They break down complex topics into manageable segments, making it easier to grasp intricate details. Platforms like Coursera, edX, and Udacity offer a wide range of AI courses taught by leading experts from academia and industry. These platforms are known for their high-quality content and structured learning paths. These courses typically include video lectures, quizzes, assignments, and forums for interaction with instructors and peers. This interactive approach helps reinforce learning and provides opportunities for networking. Additionally, specialized AI schools and boot camps provide intensive, immersive learning experiences. These programs often simulate real-world scenarios, preparing you for practical applications of AI. When selecting an AI course, consider your current skill level, learning goals, and time commitment. It's important to choose a course that aligns with your career aspirations and fits into your schedule. Beginner-friendly courses introduce fundamental concepts, while advanced courses delve into specialized topics like deep learning and reinforcement learning. This progression ensures a solid foundation before tackling more complex subjects. Reading reviews and comparing course curricula can help you make an informed decision. Look for courses with positive feedback and comprehensive syllabi that cover the topics you are interested in. Supplementing online courses with textbooks, research papers, and industry blogs can deepen your understanding and keep you updated on the latest advancements. These additional resources provide different perspectives and in-depth analyses. Remember that AI is a rapidly evolving field, requiring continuous learning and exploration. Staying curious and proactive in your learning journey will help you stay ahead in this dynamic domain. Section 5. The power of hands-on projects. While theoretical knowledge is essential, hands-on experience is paramount in mastering AI. It bridges the gap between understanding concepts and applying them in real-world scenarios. Building AI projects allows you to apply your learning, solidify your understanding, and develop practical skills. This process of learning by doing is invaluable and often leads to deeper insights and more robust knowledge. It also provides valuable portfolio pieces to showcase your abilities to potential employers. A well-documented project can speak volumes about your skills and dedication. Start with beginner-friendly projects that align with your interests and gradually increase the complexity as you progress. This approach helps build confidence and ensures a solid foundation before tackling more challenging tasks. For instance, you could create a movie recommendation system using collaborative filtering, which helps in understanding user preferences and making personalized suggestions. Build a sentiment analyzer for social media posts to gauge public opinion and trends, a skill highly valued in marketing and customer service. Or develop a simple chatbot using natural language processing techniques, which can be a stepping stone to more complex conversational AI systems. Platforms like Kaggle and UCI Machine Learning Repository offer datasets for various AI tasks, allowing you to practice your skills on real-world problems. These platforms also host competitions that can further hone your abilities and provide recognition. Additionally, GitHub hosts numerous open-source AI projects, providing opportunities to learn from others' code, contribute to existing projects, and collaborate with fellow developers. Engaging with the community can lead to mentorship and networking opportunities. Remember to document your projects thoroughly, explaining your approach, code implementation, and results. Good documentation is a sign of professionalism and can make your work more accessible to others. This not only helps you solidify your understanding, but also demonstrates your thought process and problem-solving abilities to others. Sharing your work with peers can lead to constructive feedback and new ideas, further enhancing your learning experience. Section 6. Joining the global AI community. Learning AI becomes more enriching and effective when you connect with like-minded individuals and engage in collaborative learning. By sharing knowledge and experiences, you can overcome obstacles more efficiently and stay motivated throughout your AI journey. Joining AI communities provides access to valuable resources, mentorship opportunities, and a supportive network of peers facing similar challenges. These communities often have experienced members who can offer guidance, share their expertise, and help you navigate complex AI concepts. Online forums and communities like Reddit's R Machine Learning, Stack Overflow, and AI Stack Exchange offer platforms to ask questions, seek help, and engage in discussions with fellow learners and experts. These platforms are treasure troves of information where you can find solutions to specific problems, learn about new tools and techniques, and stay updated with the latest trends in AI. Participating in these communities can accelerate your learning and expose you to diverse perspectives and approaches. Engaging with a variety of viewpoints can broaden your understanding and inspire innovative solutions to AI challenges. Attending AI conferences, workshops, and meetups provides opportunities to network with industry professionals, learn about cutting-edge research, and gain insights into real-world AI applications. These events often feature keynote speakers, panel discussions, and hands-on sessions that can deepen your knowledge and spark new ideas. Local AI groups and meetups often organize workshops, hackathons, and talks, providing hands-on learning experiences and networking opportunities. These events are great for building practical skills, collaborating on projects, and meeting others who share your passion for AI. Contributing to open-source AI projects allows you to collaborate with experienced developers, improve your coding skills, and make a meaningful impact on the AI community. Working on these projects can also enhance your resume and demonstrate your commitment to the field. Platforms like GitHub and GitLab host numerous open-source projects, providing opportunities to contribute to code bases, documentation, or testing. By participating in these projects, you can gain practical experience, learn from others, and help advance the development of AI technologies.